Tired of wrestling with data pipelines that break silently, scale poorly, and leave you blind when things go wrong? This skill gives you Dagster's declarative DSL for rock solid pipeline definitions, automated SLA monitoring that alerts you before deadlines hit, dynamic task parallelization that adapts to your Kubernetes clusters, and first class integrations with Snowflake, BigQuery, and Redshift. Imagine error recovery that auto retries failed ops while preserving data lineage. No more manual reruns. Say goodbye to the "it works on my machine" era. Data engineers, backend devs, DevOps leads, and ML teams. This is your new secret weapon. Pipelines shouldn't be a mystery novel. Here's what's inside the Building Data Pipeline Dagster skill. You get version controlled pipeline configs with YAML based asset definitions, distributed execution scaling via celery workers, real-time run status tracking in Dagster UI, schema validation with Pandera, and cross-cloud data movement using Apache Beam. It comes with expert instructions, code templates, and real-world examples. And it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just a skill, it's your ops team's new favorite playbook. Installing the Building Data Pipeline Dagster skill takes one command: npx quanta-skills add building-data-pipeline-dagster. That's it. You'll download the complete skill, expert level guidance, DAG templates, and monitoring dashboards ready to deploy. Your next Claude code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows how to debug stuck ops, optimize partitioned assets, and configure email alerts for late data. No PhD in YAML required. Pipelines go from headache to hero status in minutes.